Good morning, guys. It is the next day, well, the continue of the last vlog, and we stopped by here at the convenience store. Gonna buy some stuff. It's actually really snowing, and our car doesn't have the studless, is it called studless? Studless tires. And it's a little bit scary. The ground is frozen and I haven't felt the slip yet, but it's cool. We're gonna drive real slow till Tokyo. But yeah, other than that, we're fine. We're just gonna buy some drinks and then we're gonna head to Tokyo. That's the plan. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I don't know. I'm driving, so I can't really film. So I don't know. Maybe next parking station or rest place. Let's go. Look, can you guys tell? It's snowing. Yeah, look. Yeah, it's snowing. It's beautiful. But look, the ground, it's frozen. It's frozen flat. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Shit. Damn. Okay. We found dinner, lunch, breakfast, lunch. We're gonna eat. Yo, look at this restaurant. Like, it goes up. It goes up. Gotta take off our shoes. But yo, look, it goes up. Like, down, up. This is so cool. Okay, I don't want to go up too much because there's people. But look at that samurai costume or warrior outfit kind of thing. That's beautiful. Wow. But yeah, guess. Oh god. Oh, that hurt my ass. So I guess basically we're gonna eat here. Beautiful. We got seats down here. And then, yeah, we eat. And then we're gonna leave to Tokyo, which is a little bit worrying, but just have to calm down and then drive slowly. It'll be perfect. Stop at every parking area, and then I think it'll be fine. You know, it'll be fun too. The experience, isn't it? Okay, let's go. Okay, so just finished dinner. Just finished lunch. There you go. It was nice. It was nice, but it was too much. Oh, it was actually too much for me. But yeah, now we're going down this thing and then go back to Tokyo. I think that's the best thing. So I'm just going back to Tokyo. Yeah, sorry, I'm so full. I can't think right now. But yeah. Yo, look at the snow. Like I said last time, we don't have. Oh my god, this is okay. This is real bad. Like I said last time, we don't have the studless tires. So, oh shit, damn, it's real bad. It's real bad. Oh. 外行く？
今？やばい。よいしょ。はい。
We returned the car. Now we gotta walk to the station. It's right there, but then we got this. Got this suitcase. Ayako suitcase. She has to go somewhere again. Sorry for that in this weather.
In this weather. Okay.
We are going back. We are going back now. The train station's right there. The train's probably not good. It's not moving. Probably. But it's so much safer than a car. So we're gonna change the train, and then she's going somewhere else. Ando might go back. So yeah, that's the end of our trip. But I don't know. I might continue the vlog. There might be more. So, I might continue the vlog. I mean, I will continue the vlog, but I don't know what to do. Like, there's nowhere else I can go. It's like the whole city is shut down because of this whole weather. This snow, typhoon kind of thing. That's like probably like my first experience in Japan. I might be lying, but still. I guess, I don't know. Let's go back home. Yeah, go back home. Okay, so it's the next morning. Yeah, I fell asleep yesterday. Went home. Thought I was going to do some editing. Well, I was editing and then just fell asleep. Like, fell asleep. I was just so tired, which is weird because I didn't do anything. Ando was driving the whole way, so like I guess I was really tired. Like, we didn't really sleep in the hotel anyways because I don't know, I felt like it was a waste to just sleep. But yeah, I'm out here. It's still white. It's like, it's still full of snow. The place is still full of snow. I got my winter boots on, so that's will make it a little bit better because yesterday my feet was so cold. So yeah, this will make it a little bit better. Like, there's a path, but I got my winter boots, so I'm walking on the snow, you know. So I got, whoa, that's actually beautiful. That's like a waterfall pond thing. I don't know, but that's actually beautiful for me. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. That's, oh, okay, winter boots not working, so slippery. So that's like, I don't know, that's my experience of a Japan snowstorm. It was quite bad. Yesterday was really bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys have I hope you guys have a great day. Be careful out there if you guys live in a snowy place, because this is quite dangerous. Tokyo don't really experience this much, so we don't have the right stuff to, you know, to deal with this kind of weather. So it's really like, roads are slippery and all that. So you know, be careful out there if you guys live in a snowy place. Again, subscribe if you like this kind of video. I'm doing I'm doing like a vlog thing in Japan. Hit that like button if you like this video. If you have a specific place you want to see, comment down below and I'll show you guys. I'll try to make it happen. Basically, I'll make the videos for you. Just literally, I'm out of ideas of where to go in Japan. So it will really help if you guys comment down below and show me, like, open my eyes, because I don't really know my own country. So I don't know Japan. I don't know, like, I know like those famous places, but I don't know Tokyo. I don't know Japan. I don't know what makes, you know, foreigners tick about Japan. So if you guys want to see places in Japan, just comment down below and I'll make it happen. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. We're done.